Welcome studiers to this video. I'll be explaining today's part of the Bible. I'll be doing that by asking questions, then I'll answer it. Hope you learn something. This is the first question of the day. How God was alive before the creation of earth? The answer: God is unlimited without a starting point or a birth point and an ending point, which is a death point. This means that God doesn't have a starting point or a birth point and doesn't have a death point. The next question: how the creation of earth began? The answer: when God commanded, "Let there be light." So the start of the light began, and the darkness also formed, creating a day and night cycle. Before that, when God commanded that there will be light, after that he named the light day and the darkness night. Third question: how there are seas, sea waters, and rain waters? God commanded, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." The firmament means a barrier between the sea waters and rain waters, or in other meanings, the clouds. This is when the sky had clouds. The fourth question: how there are lands? God commanded, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear." This is when the sea water grouped and collected together to form seas, and the land that appeared, God called it earth. The fifth question: how the plants started to grow? When God commanded that the earth or land to grow grass and trees that grow different types of fruits according to its type, and these fruits would have the seeds inside itself. Sixth question: how were the stars and moon created? When God commanded that there would be light in the firmament to separate and divide between day and night, also God created two great lights. One, the bigger light that will rule the day, or the sun, and the other one is the smaller light that will rule the night, or the moon. Then God created the stars, which we see at night, to rule all the day. How the animals were created? On the fifth day, God firstly created the sea creatures to swim among the seas, and the birds to fly across the firmament, or the sky. And he blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let birds multiply on the earth." Secondly, God created the cattle by all of its kinds, all creatures that creep and crawl the earth, and the beasts of the earth, all according to their kinds. And the last question of the day: how man was created? When God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness," so he created man, male and female. And he blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply, fill the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, over the birds of the air, and over every living thing that moves on the earth." Also he let them eat and feed the other animals with all the fruits and herbs he created. Now, at the end of this episode, from all that information that we got today, we can confirm that God is powerful, and that was when the earth was created.